Hello, welcome back to our series on new curriculum report card system. So in this video I'll be showing you how to install the new curriculum report card system. So for all my customers who have already paid for this, if you get challenges, please watch this video. It will clear everything for you and you'll be able to install the system very well. We are going to look at how we are installing the system. Before you install the system, the first step is to open the folder, the package that I'm going to send you, and extract the files to the desktop in a folder. The name of the folder should be the name of your school. For example, for this school, the name of the folder should be Chezimbire. For this, the name of the folder should be bits. So you will extract the files from the downloads. After downloading the files, you will click. For example, this is the file that you'll have, Chezimbire setup. So you go to setup files, then you extract this. You extract to a specific folder, then you go to desktop, create new folder, then Chezimbire setup, you call it Chezimbire, just Chezimbire. Then if it is bits, you call it bits. If it is any other, you call it that name. Click OK. You need to disable any antivirus that you have installed in your computer. If you have Windows Defender, you first of all have to disable Windows Defender. If you have any other antivirus that is installed in your computer, you need to first disable that antivirus. I'm having SmartDAV installed in my computer, so you can go to the antivirus, you go to protection, disable, yeah. So it will show you that SmartDAV is not active, so it has been disabled. So you can first close that. If you are having Windows Defender, you can search in the search icon, Windows Defender. You click, I go to settings, then I turn off. So I uncheck this, turn on real-time protection recommended. So I'll uncheck that, then I save the changes. So it is off. When I go back here, it will show that I should turn on. So it is off for now. So that is how you have to disable your antivirus. So for any antivirus that you are having installed in your computer, you can turn it off. If you have Windows Defender, you can also turn it off using those steps. That is the first step that you need to do in order to install this software and it works for you properly. The second step is setting macros in your computer. You need to have Microsoft Office installed in your computer. When Microsoft Office is installed in your computer, then the system will work for you. If it is not there, the system will not even open, because it uses that feature of Microsoft Excel to print out report cards in a correct way. So the first thing you need to do is try opening a new Microsoft Excel file. You click, right click, then you go to new, then you can go to Microsoft Excel sheet. You click, it will create a new Excel sheet. You just open this Excel sheet, bring your cursor anywhere around, maybe here, you right click on the ribbon, so it will show add to quick access toolbar, customize quick access toolbar. So you click on this quick access toolbar customization, so you customize quick access toolbar. Then from here you'll go to Trust Center. You go to Trust Center, then come to Trust Center settings, click. Then you go to trusted location. Here you first go to trusted location, you click. Now you add a new location, browse, and then you select C, this computer, local disk C. You can first click this computer, then you click local disk C, then click OK, and check this, which shows that subfolders of this location are also trusted. You check that and then click OK. So you close this. You can even delete it. It is no longer important. This is the package that we are going to install. This one shows that Senior 1A setup. So we are going to install this. So this is the setup. You double click, then you follow the steps, click next. This is the user and user agreement. You can read through and look at what is required, or what are your rights and what you are not supposed to do with this program. You can read through, then you click next. Then you can browse here and change, but it's not that necessary. You click next. Then you can change the folder that you want to install in. You click a new folder for this program. For it will just create the folder for that specific name. So you click next. Then create a desktop icon, check this, click next, then install. So you have successfully installed the CBC report card system. Thanks for using our system. You can contact the developer via that contact or email at that for assistance. You click next. Don't launch the program at first. You can first leave it, then click finish. So as you can see, we have our system now installed. This is what we have just installed, Senior 1A report card. So this is what we have just installed right now. So to check whether it's working out, you open, double click, it will open, enter, then enter the password, click login, welcome. So the system will open, so I can maximize. So this is our program. You will see the administration. It is there. Everything has been set up already. The students list, it will be plain like this. The report card will also be plain like this. When you scroll down, you see all the features of the report card are there. So if you want to understand how to use this system, please watch my video on the first video that I made on how to use this system. You'll be able to understand how to use it, but this is just for all those customers who have got challenges in installing this system. So this is how you have to install the system. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.